Okay, today we are working on a bunch of stuff under here. We're doing the floor joist and the center beam as well. So there's the new floor joist. The ones that we put in, we put our SC LLC in paint. So if there's any question, you know, what we did and what somebody else did, that's clearly marked. But you can see just joist after joist after joist after joist under here, both directions replaced. Also the center beam. Right here, we got a couple more sections to go, but most of it's already done.
It's staying up. Just keep going. Very dust.
Yeah. Yeah. You do the center beam. A lot of people ask this question is, how in the world do you replace the center beam on a house that's already built? So the first thing is we build a temporary wall on one side of the center beam. In this case, it's the front of the house. We built a temporary wall right there that's supporting the house. And on the back side, we use hydraulic jacks and we build a temporary wall on top of the hydraulic jacks. We push the house up just a tiny bit with the hydraulic jacks, and what that does is that eases the pressure on the center beam. Wayne is over here, and he is going after the center beam, which is 4 layers thick of 2x8, and he is cutting it out in little pieces. And then when he goes from pier to pier, and then he'll go down to the next pier down after that, and then he will overlap the new pieces in. When we're done, it'll be 5 members thick. We will put in timber locks in a pattern. We put 2 in the end, and then 1 high, 1 low, 1 high, 1 low, like that, and we just walk it down to the end of each timber. A certain amount of prying is always needed because sometimes these things don't want to come out just no matter what you do. Wayne is particularly well suited for prying because he is half Neanderthal. And you can see the condition of the old timber. It's just eaten up. So that is coming out completely, and we're going to put in a brand new one.